arriving at Ilios. Prepare to attack. Select your hero.
Let's go, dive, boys.
I don't think I've ever been more happy to see those names in my entire fucking life, dude.
What the fuck?
Playing with Hot Wheels.
I will protect the innocent.
Hot Wheels is such a
Buddy,
good
I've
name.
had one tricks for the past 7 games, and not the good
You
kind.
just got another one trick.
Dude, there's
You
see
just
everyone.
do one trick.
Everybody suffers when people are one tricks.
Here's the
Actually, a
difference.
Mercy one.
So Yab, thank you for subbing.
Shatter
Jolt
is a
said
professional
enjoy this month
mercy.
of 2 extra dollars. Thank you, man.
I have
Carlos AF 1020 doing $10 says Seagull, if you're a bird, I'm a bird. All right. Seems
Oh,
about
GG.
right. It's okay.
Are you actually running Mercy? Do you want me to run the game?
Yeah,
or
triple support is
how do
like.
you want to do this? I make Luis
I'm
go.
gonna jump into that.
Please do.
You have a mercy?
Eventually. Alright, they have a widow hanging out on the ledge.
I'm on the mercy. Oh my god.
Hawk
Where is
Mercy's
their
back.
team?
Get out, Lucio.
She's getting Zarya shit on cooldown, so she's getting a shit ton of peels from her team. Ooh, there's a widow.
Sorry, on point. Low.
That's a really nice angle, by the way. Not many people use on this
Hey,
map.
Zarya.
There's a hog behind us.
Point. What else? What else watching
It's only
point?
Hog.
What else watching point?
Oh yeah, she's playing.
Into the fray.
I'm good.
Yeah, hog is near our health pack.
I stopped the Genji shatter. I'm scared of Widow.
Where is this widow right now? Does anyone see him?
She sits over at like the cafe area. I don't know how to describe it. It's where all the chairs are to the right.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
Tracer's going for a left.
I didn't know if she moved or not.
To the hog.
Oh, she's top.
up top.
She's top. Yeah.
Sorry, no.
I'm ready to see shatters.
Lucius half.
No, shatter.
I'm on mercy.
I'm on Lucio behind point.
I'm jumping back towards point.
Come on. My own Lucio
Coming in,
got outplayed
coming in.
there, chat. I'm gonna jump on the Widow top for a second.
Hey, Rez.
I was actually
He's healing
extremely
up.
impressed with
He's healing
chat,
up.
I'll be
I will.
honest.
I'm not gonna use it.
I wasn't expecting
Yeah,
to
you
deflect
have
that
to
fast because he
right.
did 2 half body shots instead of full charge at all.
Not gonna even know.
And his mine was out of LOS too. He really outplayed me with the mine. The mine, I would have killed him without it though.
Alright, wait for a mercy and then we'll push him. I'm gonna go high ground and ult.
Sniper, be
Mercy's
ready.
move.
Widow's top left. Just on top of our health pack. I'm
Knocked her
ulting.
off.
Half. Mercy's half.
Claiming the objective.
Tracer, hey, Shader.
Just cap for free. That was easy.
We got it.
There's a widow. There's one.
I feel like this team doesn't have much front line. Just this Widow Tracer. So who does the Mercy
get
pocket
that
in this
top,
situation?
Seagull?
Just the Widow? Yeah, I can. Look at that.
Not this one, but this one.
You want up here?
Oh,
Oh no, we're all dying.
Oh no.
cafe again.
Under attack. Let us welcome our guests.
Can you get on point and stall? Please stall. Wait, what?
What?
I'm being so.
I had to get the second dash slash before I could dash to kill on my thing.
Yeah, if we were gonna get res, we should have stalled, guys.
Hog, no hook.
Monkey, call what you're jumping on. I'll follow up. Widow's
Jumping
top
hog.
left.
He has no hook. I'm retarded. No
I'm on the
pulse.
widow. I'm on the widow. Mercy's up here too. The fucking party.
Oh! Was he trying? I thought he was ulting someone else. I did not pay attention at all. That's really weird by me. How did I
Wow.
hear that?
Crazy shot.
We should fall back. Nice. There's a hog.
So what is this game? This game is Widow
Alright,
versus
we'll
all of
make
us,
this
basically.
Attack the objective.
I'm gonna have to jump.
Mercy
it.
Widow's always been really good.
The problem one.
Widow?
Widow.
Mercy? Zarya? No, so
Sorry, did you hit personal?
no. I got raped. I got raped.
I think we should have this.
Hog weak behind point.
Is Tracer?
Lucio.
Tracer?
Recalled.
More worried about the,
Hog still weak.
Support request.
My ultimate is
we got Nano Blade. We gotta gank this Mercy, though. As long as they don't have
What
walls.
is their mate?
Yeah, she's high ground. You want to kill her?
my ultimate
Yeah,
is
I'm jumping.
ready.
Alright, I'm backing up. I'm backing up. Yep.
Tell me who you want.
As long as we can gank the Widow. The Widow's the one getting 3+ kills every team fight.
Every time.
Get in there.
Zarya? Nice.
So you're gonna res, get ready.
No, I'm on her.
Eh.
Oh, okay. Nice.
Hell yeah.
I see.
Score 1-0.
Okay, good. We're not on Widow's playground yet.
Going back to my main.
No, Shatter. I feel like Shatter's playing Mercy because Eevee's in this game, and Eevee's like one of the best one-trick Mercy players, who's actually legitimately good, by the way. He's like rank 79.
Take care of yourself.
Also, son of Rip, thank you for subbing. Noctis27, thank you as well. Thigh doing $2 said, hey, fell asleep and dreamed of us playing together. Have you ever had anyone tilt really badly and blame the wrong person over and over? It was a Mercy who got tilted at Soldier. I mean, that happens in a game without stats. That's pretty common. That's my opinion. You can't. People often don't know who's performing
Sorry, no personal.
better than anyone
don't know
else because
bubbles
there's
at
no
all.
good scoreboard
They
in
have
this
a
game.
hog instead of a
And
widow.
because of that, every once in a while,
Tracer behind?
stuff like that happens. Where's this guy?
On Mercy?
Get this Mercy, yeah. Nice pick.
Nice shot. Mercy's half HP. Outside of point. In pit.
Here's 1 HP. Winston's half, trying to get out. Get out.
I have my ult here. What's on ult at? Hell yeah.
My ultimate
That's
is
bad.
I think she just walked out the flank.
Oh,
She's still sat there,
you were
just
the
recharging her
first one
blink.
to die.
Yeah.
Dude, he's not playing Mercy. It's okay.
I don't know how you play.
Don't judge.
ultimate is charging.
Keep going.
I wanna play Mercy.
What the hell?
I really should switch off Paul. Sorry.
Interesting interaction there.
How close to Ant Nano?
Hey, did he just kill himself? And jump off the cliff? Right there on me.
I'm coming to you, Shatter. 1 sec.
Dude, you're a god. Oh boy.
Fuck, what the hell? What? Where'd they all go?
Half.
What the fuck just happened?
Lucio's also half? Oh, they're healing each other.
I'm dead. Nice.
Okay.
I'm gonna switch mine.
Let's keep stalling as long as we can. I fucked up.
You can do this.
You still stalling this?
You got that fight.
Alright, back.
Oh, what happened?
Charging shield.
That was a big
Oh,
throw
no here yet.
by using my sword
Yeah,
there.
their hog is looking for something on the left side. Careful.
That was interesting.
Walking up.
Who's in right now? Shit, it's Dakota.
They're coming for me. Zarya is looking for a grab here.
Grab, yeah. I'm
We
bad.
Lucio
I'm
ulted
Wow.
bad.
Great job. That Lucio ult was awesome. Super low against. I got body block. I have my ult this fight. Well, you're gonna ult too.
There's the res.
Okay, two group.
We keep grinding them down here, might be okay.
Saber Hog.
Oh, that's really bad. Fuck, we could have nano. I wanted a nano blade on them right there and kill the whole team. I didn't know he was here yet. Because I knew he died earlier in the grab, but I wasn't sure where exactly he was. Now they're gonna have another res because that was an extended fight. That was our timing to win the round, I
Kind of
think.
camping it. Careful. Hog and Tracer and Zarya.
Hog left.
Okay, where is Shatter?
Push him out.
Damn it! If I had nano there, you had to nano the Rhine because he didn't get it on
A
me.
lot of reses here. Nice.
Could have nano you through.
Res again? He wouldn't have had res if I had nano there. I actually one-shot him if I had
I
nano.
just feel like the focusing me like really hard.
That's just, there's 2 hooks and one of the other points. The guy got fucked up.
I
Fair.
can get in there.
Fair
I
probably
can
Widow
get
here.
us some picks, but
I don't
we're
think
just
Farah's
not
gonna be
able
good
to
at all.
get past the chokes right now.
I think Winston's alright though if we just dive him.
Let me play Zarya here.
The defense. Okay, looks like we're getting triple time.
Well, Ryan triple tank's a lot different than the other one, but I like Winston with triple tank, Chet, but
I'm down for either. Just make a choice now. What do you want to do?
you can try this one. If he's gonna pick Ryan, it means I guess he probably doesn't want to play Winston, but I really wanted to play Winston, Diva, Zarya, or Winston, Diva, Hog as the 3 ones I wanted to pick.
Yeah, their Widow's right side.
And this is why, because
point.
they're probably gonna
They have a hog on
I
left
should've
side
just said
bridge.
it.
Yeah, she's top right.
She's just being pocketed
She's
by
top
Mercy.
left.
Always off the map, nice.
Top left. Widow's
job.
top left. Careful.
This focus point, they have to come
Widow
us.
off top.
Nice
Get
sleep.
him.
Reinhardt can die.
He's on point. Put this Ryan. Ryan's down. You got this Mercy? Nope. Yeah, I can't deal with it right now.
Oh, 1 point out.
I can't. Everyone's fighting LOS, so I can't shield them
She's
either.
still standing there.
I'm there with her. She's down.
that's pretty good.
Nice.
Hog left.
Careful, back up.
I'm gonna look for a pulse on this Ryan if they start to push in. Never mind, I'm gonna get hooked. And saved.
What? You didn't have a recall or anything?
Oh well.
That's surprising.
They're going right side hog.
That's a. I didn't even self shield. I thought I was out of the range of that.
Oh man, that's a good shot. I'm gonna try to stall a little bit.
Wow, headshot. That sucks.
That was a little bit. Try to focus hard on this Mercy.
I am not.
He's gonna have res.
The window's peeking or spawn. Careful, careful.
My ultimate is almost ready.
She's standing top on top of the pillar.
Hog's looking
There's
up
no way you're
for a hook.
intentionally bubbling these hooks, he says. That's funny.
Grab a shatter.
Tracer, please. They don't even have anything that counters you.
My shield's low. I was taking so much food before it gets.
Run, Shatter. I can't grab that. He would just die.
Trigger if you have
And
to.
headshot.
I
Yeah.
really should
Over.
just speed base it.
After we use these ults, we should change to Winston Diva Hog. Or Winston Diva Zarya or something like that.
I will never
Widow's
surrender.
outside.
He's not going to have a good chance to counter...
Holding it for your grab.
What should we call it?
Yeah, she is. They're all on the top right side. They have a hog there too, and
Widow top right.
Trying to counter snipe versus when he has a mercy pocket? That's tough, dude.
Get him?
okay. Help me with him.
Nice.
I got him. He's done.
Nice,
Okay.
let's go.
Oh, nano
He
you
has
right.
a shatter. He has a shatter.
Nano boost administered.
Mercy's half.
Look for the... Watch out for the res behind us.
Mercy's looking for a res. Yeah, go.
Let's focus Mercy. We're good.
He's done.
Widow's one up top.
I feel like my entire job right now is just a bubble block
still
with
up
their
there?
hog.
We should hold.
Look for hog right now. He's gonna be pushed up in a flank.
We have grab. We should really.
We can grab, but they're just instantly gonna res from high ground if we take the fight here.
She's missing all her shots on me, so. Mercy down?
Oh wow, I went
He's
right
mad.
through him. They're gonna res?
No, the Mercy's down.
Oh nice.
Lockdown.
Let's do
He's just so angry.
Widow top left.
Yeah, we have grab hog for next fight. so
Impossible.
this should be it. Nice job on that stagger pick.
Someone's up.
We still do have grab. They're gonna res though, so be ready for it.
Let's go for that.
Hog right.
early grab.
Hog right. Careful.
I don't have team shield. Be careful right now. I'm pushing him.
Soldier's
Pushing
going on
him.
point now. Oh shit. Wait, how long does this kid soldier? I don't even...
Helden sterben nicht.
Oh well. Oh no.
I don't know if he can clutch that. The flanking aimbot was too good, even though he's gonna kill 4.
We got a lot of value off that. We can go off that.
Yeah, we
That's
can.
the most of our
Damn,
team.
that
We
widow
just
killed
group,
like everybody. Fuck.
Push in here fast.
I am still in the fight.
I'm swapping Diva right now from Zarya to right click everybody.
Attack the objective.
I think we could have turned that fight, but I'm not
Yeah.
sure. At the same time, maybe it was a
They're
better
already
move to just hold the grab and use it for next
Widow
fight.
top left. She's looking at me.
Jumping, top left.
Focusing.
It's just Ryan's out of position. Nice.
Jesus.
Got the Mercy.
The Mercy's back. Nice.
Focusing Lucio.
We're good.
Right click your hug.
Cool.
Push your tap.
Zarya on Ana. Zarya
That
on
is inside
Ana.
my...
It is there.
Just one. Okay.
Good shit. Good shit.
Nice.
Awesome.
Good comp switch.
I thought after everyone died we were gonna save that combo this fight, but it worked out.
I was thinking about it, but we almost turned it. It was really close.
Well, they use sweet,
Okay.
so.
Yeah, I couldn't see over there.
Okay, also VG3000. Thank you for subbing. I'm sorry I haven't been catching up on these subs donations so often. This game is actually pretty hard. Also, The Chosen, Alex. Thank you for subbing. Bathroom Buddha for 8 months. Hey, big boy, he says. What's up, Buddha?
I feel like he's gonna go.
Lalo donating $5. Made Platinum Season 2, Diamond Season 3 now, Master. Does this mean I'm going to be GM next? Yes, without a doubt.
I'm just gonna take high ground from the start. So if we fight out like by the pillar, it should be helpful.
Holy God in Heaven has just subscribed. Thank you, Holy God.
There's a soldier on their side. He's got a mercy pocket.
Careful, I don't have any team shield right now. If you hook.
Yeah.
Oh,
I'm out of here. That soldier.
I'm done.
Hawk. Nice. No personal. I'm
The
done.
Diva's down.
My shield's dead.
Even no Mac.
Nice job on Diva. I'm gonna get on point. Oh, he has 100 energy.
I'm also
I need-
100 right now.
Zarya's dead.
They're purple.
Is the soldier high ground still?
Lucio's fragging.
I already have grab.
Nice.
Nice up.
I'm at 85.
Oh,
Oh, that was a close up, dude.
yeah.
Okay, I have grab now. Is there Lucio? Hog over here?
Behind. Push this guy. Push this guy.
Oh no.
Огонь по готовности.
Fuck, I'm not over there. Behind you, Diva.
She's gonna have a res. Get ready.
No, I killed her.
Oh, okay. Okay. Shit, that's a really bad Lucio. Everyone was dead.
Yeah, we are. If we don't die, as we
Hey, kill her again. She's free.
Neon Shadow are coming back.
Free mech.
Alright, I have my ult here.
Good luck, little Lucio.
Ana, did you use yours?
We can keep staggering him here. It's pretty good for us.
Yeah.
They're coming me.
They're pushing me. Point right now.
Alright, Ana, I'm ulting here.
Holy shit, they're getting fucked.
Rip, they have
She should still have res. I don't know what she's doing, but she should
he's
still have
right.
it.
He's right.
Should we kill these guys? I have another grab soon. They just res behind us?
Get it. They didn't get all of them. Yeah, let's all point. It's all point.
Hi.
Shit, I'm getting bullied off point here.
We lost it.
Wow,
They're
what?
sleeping. Can someone get him?
I'm coming.
Okay, just get.
Where are they sleeping?
How did we
Oh,
let
him.
them cap? That's the real question.
Oh, fine.
That's really bad. That play was actually really bad by the Mercy. It's only working because we let them cap. Nothing
Yeah.
else. Grab, please. There's only
they
2
only got
people.
Hog
Why
in
would I grab that 4v2?
At the
Nice.
Lucia.
You didn't kill Hog. Mercy low.
Maybe I should have,
Sorry,
but
wait.
in that
Yeah,
moment,
they don't have
hopefully
healers
not.
right now.
Diva dead.
I'm coming, Shatter.
Tracer.
I'll have another ult nice fight, but we can
There we
try
go.
to grab pot.
They might have another res for it, but I think we should be able to clean them up pretty fast with it.
Hell yeah.
Alright, I'm with you.
Hog left.
But they're all left side. I'm an idiot.
You ready? You ready?
I'm so sorry.
That's dead first man. I'll let someone can get him. He's one shot.
Mercy?
Mercy out.
Where's Mercy? Mercy dead, nice.
My jungle!
Damn.
on
That was
point
a dominance play for that Mercy.
Try and get him.
Good talk.
Just hiding in
That's
the
true.
back.
Who's false?
They have a Reaper now? I don't know.
Daniel here.
Is that the sound of hope
They're gonna be
fading,
pushing
or-
point. Can we boop this Ryan so we can't get to it?
I mean,
Tracy's
Ryan
going
is
to it?
back.
I'm ready. 3, 2, 1, now.
Free Ryan. Alright.
I'm dead.
You're powered up. Get in there.
They have dead.
Uh-oh.
0 energy.
We can win. We can win.
Kill the Mercy. Where is she, dude?
I'm in back.
Oh, she's dead. She's dead.
We're fine.
Who is killing the Mercy? I just always feel like she should be alive and she's just dead. Thank you.
Whoops.
Good job, dudes. You guys are owning.
GG.
I press left shift, I press left mouse button.
So we all.
Oh, I only have to press those buttons once and people die.
Fire at will.
Dude, you actually.
The earth shattered.
That
The
is
earth
amazing.
shattered PM.
Got to show who's false.
100%.
Okay, stream. That is actually a play of the game worthy play, just because. You notice it said lifesaver? That meant that he countercharged the Reinhardt who was going to pin our Roadhog, maybe. I don't know. It's possible.
Now watch me queue again and be on the other team. Feels good, man.
She's getting Zarya shield on cooldown, so she's getting a shit ton of peels from her team. Ooh, there's a Widow.
Sorry, on point. Low.
That's a really nice angle, by the way. Not many people use on this
Hey,
map.
Zarya.
There's a hog behind us.
What else? What else watching
It's only
point?
Hog.
What else watching point?
Oh yeah, she's playing.
Into the fray.
I'm good.
Yeah, hog is near our health back. No,
I
he's
stopped
back
the
off.
Genji shatter. I'm scared of Widow.
Where is this Widow right now? Does anyone see him?
She sits over at like the cafe area. I don't know how to describe it. It's where all the chairs are to the right.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
Tracer's going for a left.
I didn't know if he moved or not.
To the hog.
Oh, she's top.
up top.
She's top. Yeah.
Sorry, no,
I'm ready to see
Lucius
shatters.
half.
No, shatter.
I'm Mercy.
I'm on Lucio behind point.
I'm jumping back towards point.
Come on. My own Lucio
Coming
got
in,
outplayed
coming in.
there, chat. I'm gonna jump on the Widow top for a second.
Hey, Rez.
I was actually
Little hog.
extremely
He's
impressed with
healing up.
chat, I'll be
I will,
honest.
but I'm not gonna use it.
I wasn't expecting
Yeah,
to
you
deflect
have
that
to
fast
do
because he did 2 half body shots instead of full charge at all.
Not gonna even know.
And his mine was out of LOS too. He really outplayed me with the mine. The mine, I would have killed him without it though.
Alright, wait for a Mercy and then we'll push in. I'm gonna go high ground and ult.
Sniper. Be
Mercy's
wary.
move.
Widow's top left. Just on top of our self back. I'm
Knocked her
open.
off.
Half. Mercy's half.
I am claiming the objective.
Okay, good. We're not on Widow's playground yet.
Going back to my main.
No, Shatter. I feel like Shatter's playing Mercy because Eevee's in this game, and Eevee's like one of the best one-trick Mercy players. Who's actually legitimately good, by the way. He's like rank 79.
Take care of yourself.
Also, son of Rip, thank you for subbing. Noctis27, thank you as well. Thought doing $2 said, hey, fell asleep and dreamed of us playing together. Have you ever had anyone tilt really badly and blame the wrong person over and over? It was a Mercy who got tilted at Soldier. I mean, that happens in a game without stats. That's pretty common. That's my opinion. You can't... People often don't know who's performing
personal.
better than anyone
don't
else
know
because
Bubble
there's
at
no
all.
good scoreboard
They
this
have a
game.
hog instead of a
And
widow.
because of that, every once in a while,
Tracer behind.
stuff like that happens. Where's this guy?
On Mercy.
It's just Mercy, yeah. Nice pick.
Nice house. Mercy's half HP. Outside of point. In pit.
Here's 1 HP. Winston's half, trying to get out. Get out.
I have my ult here. What's on ult at? Hell yeah.
My ultimate
Yeah, that's
is
bad.
I think she's just walked out the flank.
He's
She's still sat there,
You're
just
the
recharging her
first one
blink.
to die.
Yeah.
Dude, he's not playing Mercy. It's okay.
I don't know how you play.
Don't judge.
ultimate is charging.
Keep going.
I wanna play Mercy.
What the hell?
I really should switch off all. Sorry.
Interesting interaction, man.
How close?
Now arriving at Ilios. Prepare to attack. Select your hero.
Let's go. Dive, boys.
I don't think I've ever been more happy to see those names in my entire fucking life, dude.
What the fuck?
Playing with Hot Wheels.
I will protect the innocent.
Hot Wheels is such a
Buddy,
good
I've
name.
had one tricks for the past 7
No awkward
games.
small talk.
And not the
Hey,
good
you
kind.
just got another one trick.
Dude, there's...
You
See,
just
everyone...
do one trick.
Everybody suffers when people are one tricks.
Here's the
I'm actually a
difference.
Mercy one.
So Yab, thank you for
Yeah.
subbing.
Shatter
Jolt
is a professional
said, enjoy this month
player.
of 2 extra dollars. Thank you, man.
I have
Carlos AF 1020 doing $10 says, Seagull, if you're a bird, I'm a bird. Alright. Seems
Oh,
about
GG.
right. It's okay.
Are you actually running Mercy? Do you want me to run the game?
Yeah,
or
triple support is
How do
like.
you want to do this? I make Lee's
I'm
going
gonna
deep
jump
into
into
this.
that.
Please do.
You have a Mercy?
Eventually. Alright, they have a widow hanging out on the
I'm on
ledge.
the Mercy. Oh my god.
Hawk
Where is
Racer's
their
back.
team?
Get out, Lucio.
There's a hog.
So what is this game? This game is Widow
Alright,
versus
we'll
all
make
of
this
us,
either way.
basically.
Attack the objective.
I'm gonna have to jump.
I
Mercy
got it.
Widow's always been really good.
The problem plan.
Widow?
Widow.
Mercy? Sorry, that's all.
Sorry. Did you have personal?
No. I got first. I got raped.
I think we should have this.
Hog weak behind point.
Is Tracer.
Lucio.
Tracer?
We called
More worried about the,
Punchable.
Hog still weak.
My ultimate is
I got Nano Blade. We gotta gank this Mercy, though. As long as they don't have
What
walls.
is their mate?
Yeah, she's high ground. You want to kill her?
my ultimate
Yeah,
is
I'm jumping.
ready.
Alright, I'm backing up. Yep.
Tell me who you want.
As long as we can gank the Widow. The Widow's the one getting 3+ kills every
I'm
team
with-
fight.
Every time.
Get in there.
Sorry? Nice.
So you're gonna res, get ready.
No, I'm on her.
Eh.
Oh, okay. Nice.
Hell yeah.
I see.
Score 1-0.
Tracer, Hey, Shader.
Just cap for free. That was easy.
We got it.
There's a Widow. There's one.
I feel like this team doesn't have much front line. Just this Widow Tracer. So who does the Mercy
get
pocket
that
in this
box,
situation?
Seagull?
Just the Widow? Yeah, I can. What do you got?
Not this one, but this one.
You want up here?
Oh no, we're all dying.
Oh no.
Oh, cafe again.
Under attack. Let us welcome our guests.
Can you get on point and stall? Please stall. Wait, what?
What?
I'm being so.
I had to get the second dash slash before I could dash to kill him, I think.
Yeah, if we were gonna get res, we should have stalled, guys.
Hog, no hook.
Monkey, call what you're jumping on, I'll follow up. With
Jumping
top
hog.
left.
He has no hook. I'm retarded. No
I'm on the
pulse.
widow. I'm on the widow. Mercy's up here too. The fucking party.
Oh! Was he trying? I thought he was ulting someone else. I did not pay attention at all. That's really weird by me. How did I
Wow.
hear that?
Crazy shot.
We should fall back. Nice.